Hey there. Imagine a world where your devices never need recharging and drones can fly indefinitely without ever landing. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, a Chinese startup named Betavolt Technology is turning this into reality with their groundbreaking innovation, the BV100 nuclear-powered battery. Let's dive into what this means and how it works. What is the BV100? The BV100 is a tiny battery measuring just 15 by 15 by 5 millimeters, smaller than a coin. Despite its size, it's designed to power devices continuously for up to 50 years without needing a recharge. This remarkable longevity stems from its unique energy source, nickel-63, a radioactive isotope with a half-life of over 100 years. How does it work? Traditional batteries rely on chemical reactions to generate electricity, which eventually deplete, requiring recharging or replacement. The BV100, however, utilizes a process called Betavolt Technology. It converts the beta radiation emitted from the natural decay of nickel-63 directly into electrical energy. This process is controlled and contained, ensuring a steady and long-lasting power supply without the risks associated with traditional nuclear reactors. Potential applications. The implications of such a long-lasting battery are vast. One of the most significant applications is in defense. Drones equipped with the BV100 could maintain continuous flight without the need for refueling or recharging, revolutionizing surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Imagine smartphones, sensors, or medical implants that never require charging. While the integration of this technology into everyday devices is still on the horizon, the potential benefits are immense. The term nuclear often raises safety concerns. However, the BV100 doesn't function like a traditional nuclear reactor. It doesn't pose meltdown risks or produce high-level radioactive waste. The beta radiation from nickel-63 is relatively low energy and can be safely contained within the battery's structure, making it suitable for various applications without significant health risks. While the BV100 presents exciting possibilities, several challenges remain. Efficiency. Converting radiation into usable electricity is complex, and current nuclear batteries don't produce as much power as their chemical counterparts. Mass production. Betavolt aims to commence large-scale production by the end of the year. However, real-world applications and regulatory approvals could present hurdles. The development of the BV100 marks a significant step toward a future where recharging devices becomes obsolete. If Betavolt and similar companies can refine this technology, we might soon live in a world where our gadgets and tools are powered perpetually, transforming industries and daily life. That's all for today's deep dive into Betavolt's nuclear-powered battery. If you found this topic as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech innovations and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.